Hi, my name is Louis Lin. I'm the CEO of UMEHEAL. UMEHEAL is a company in Shenzhen and also have a small office in US. We are a AI-powered healthcare technology company dedicated to improving people's health. Okay, here is the challenge or the problem we are going to solve. The side effect of pharmaceutical and also the drug overdose. I think this is the one of the biggest problem in the United States. It costs the drug overdose costs 72,000 people's life and 78 billion costs. And the side effect of the medicine also costs 110,000 people's life and 150 billion and in economy damage. The side effect of the medicine costs worldwide 500 billion and drug overdose costs worldwide 200 billion. I think we're here to help with the drug-free solution, which is electroceutical. Electroceutical is a big market. It is around 28.5 billion US dollar by 2026. And we particularly focus on a few big issues and which can be addressed by our subset of the same technology, pain, migraine, and insomnia and anxiety, and also the rehab after the stroke, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis. These four biggest issues all have the biggest market. Okay, our solution. The fundamental of our solution is to apply the most effective electrical waveforms to modulate the target nerves linked to the condition for treatment. Our approach consists of a set of therapy programs prescribed by an AI based on the learning of individual factors associated with the condition and usage data from all users. Each therapy program is simply an executable piece of software that mimics the complete therapy process performed by the therapist, applying the right waveform at the right place and in the right time. Every waveform in the program has been proven by scientific research and clinical use. Safety and efficacy are guaranteed. The patient only needs to know his or her condition, and the therapy would be automatically executed and complete. It is like having your own personal therapist. So how effective is our solution? I think this is a snapshot of an independent study carried out by a third party hired by Johnson & Johnson. It's showing the top two boxes on the effectiveness in 90%, which is really good. So this is our first prototype to address the pain problem. This voucher has been funded and supported by Johnson & Johnson. It has been successfully cleared by FDA and is ready to launch in US. We're looking for business partner, channel partner to work together to make a huge success in worldwide. Okay, this is another device for migraine relief. The special of this device compare anything into the market. It is a small form factor, cost effective, and also it comes with APP. And the APP will help patients to identify the possible triggers and also manage and assist users to manage their migraine more intelligently to reduce and and prevent the headache compare anything into the market. You also have the similar characteristic with other predicate device called ETNS, which is 11% more effective than any of the popular drug used in urgent care. And this is another product, CS cranial electrotherapy stimulation device. The uniqueness of this device is small, form factor, cost-effective, simple to operate, and easy to use. It has been launched in China as a wellness device. This is the device for rehab. It's tackle the swallowing disability, difficulties, and also loss of limbs movement after stroke or other types of injuries. We have we have many electroceutical and in the pipeline, which is an exciting project, and we're looking for a potential partner to work together to bring this to the market, to bring the benefit to all users. Our business model is very simple. Initially, or always, we can make the revenue from the sale of the device and consumable. And in the midterm, we can make revenue from in-app ad. And in future, we can make revenue from subscription to specialist service and also the paid content services. And this is how we compare the leading company into the market. We have we add the data and AI to our neuromodulation unique technology and make it very intelligent to handle the more conditions than rest of the competitors. So we're in the best position to be a leading electroceutical providers. Here's our team, myself, CEO, and also we have a professor in UCSD in neuroscience, and also doctors in Shenzhen Nanshan Hospital, and also electrical engineering specialists and software specialists. We are initially invested by TCL Communication, it's then the public trade company in Hong Kong, and we have the support from Johnson & Johnson, and the partnership is still going very well. And we also build up and establish a few key players in the ecosystem, including hospitals. So we're looking for more investment and business partnership to bring the best electroceutical to the market. Okay, thank you.
For the devices, I'm sorry, David, go ahead.
Go ahead.
For the devices that are in the market today, how are they worn? Where do you place them on the body?
The previous devices on the market in China, the relief for me has not been launched in USA yet because of the pandemic. So our plan with Johnson & Johnson has been delayed. And the use of the device is really simple. We co-design with Johnson & Johnson's experts, and we made it, it's just like a pad. Whatever your pain point is, you just put over it. And just if you are new to the device, if you never use, you don't know which program or parameter to use, you don't need to know about that. You just know your condition and use APP. And our APP, we work on the AI program to prescribe you a set of the program. You just follow the sequence and start the program, and the execution will be automatically done for you. So it's quite simple.
where are your top markets? Just looks like you have some.
Are there, sorry,
US and China. What is your target market?
Our initial target market is United States and Canada, North America, because we have the FDA already is ready to launch. We just need to have more.
Ready to launch.
Say again.
You said ready to launch. Can you clarify?
Yeah, it's ready to launch. We have been have FDA clearance, and we have been running 4 pilot, and it's ready for mass production. We just need to establish the channel, and it can be go with OTC, it can be go with prescription. So it really depends on our channel partners how we are going to go in with the market.
the migraine relief solution, that is something that's in the future, or it's something that is available today?
It is currently in prototype, and we have been there are a few interest partners we have been provided to them for evaluation, and they did try it out, and this really for FDA clearance, and also for if some partner that want to change the UI, the outlook of the device, we can support. It only take a few months, like maximum 3 months. We can try to change the outlook and get it ready to launch. I think the hardware is basically the same hardware, only the software and therapy program are different. So the beauty of our technology is to address that for biggest problem I'm talking about in my presentation. You don't need to change the hardware at all. You just change the firmware and also lowering the different like electroceutical, different compound, like pharmaceutical, different compound, that's it. So it would be much faster than you develop a pharmaceutical. So that's the beauty or advantage of our solution.
So
is Johnson going to, I'm sorry.
Go ahead. Scott, go ahead.
Is Johnson & Johnson considering distributing the product in the US?
Yeah, I think I lost the last part of your question. I guess probably your question is asking if Johnson & Johnson are going to launch in US, right? Yeah, okay. The plan with Johnson & Johnson, they are still going through market trial, which is their plan. And this has been slowed down by pandemic. So, but our deal with Johnson & Johnson will not limit our independent development, business development of the relief from the device. So we can also establish partnership, build up our base with other channels to get it going into other channel, like non-Johnson & Johnson's channel. So that's basically we're looking for to expand business and market penetration.
So what I believe this product is already being sold in China, right?
No, it has not been cleared by Chinese FDA yet. We call CFDA. I think the our plan, our model is to line up with Chinese partner which have a strong channel, and then we take it through regulatory clearance and then launch into China. I think this is our plan. So no, right now it has not been sold in China. But we have a previous device called UMEHEAL, sell as a Windows device in China. It has like 600 therapy program. It can be used to deal with like safety conditions So basically, Johnson & Johnson evaluated our previous awareness device, and then they feel that, oh, it's very good, and they hire a third-party company to evaluate that and also see and confirm its effectiveness, and they decide to take those related to pain, and then we create a pain specialized device called Relief for Me, and then we take step by step to penetrate to the market from US and to Europe and then later China. And I think the migraine would be the similar thing. We would be try to line up with partner to go into different market, depending on the partner specialized strongness in what market they are. So, and the same thing for CS, the cranial therapy stimulation device, and also the rehab device. So basically, we have those prototype ready, and we just need to work with partner to have the regional like regulatory clearance, and then we're ready to go.